sit on that. Look at that.
I'll try to skate it.
What the fuck is this thing? It's so fun.
Sick board! Got so fucking chill.
Ready film, bro? Ready film? Oh shit. That's actually fucked.
Red zone.
Red zone.
Almost my fucking head.
You see that right there? You see that right there? That's Zoe's skull on the fucking pavement.
Zoe has not found any love being in here. Been here almost a month and a half. Loaded up the Tinder Winder. Found the love of my life, future wife. She asked me what house I was, and I told her the truth. I'm a bad boy. I'm Slytherin. Got unmatched. So now we're gonna go find some love. Hey, miss! Excuse me, miss!
Straight nose, straight nose. Don't cry, little buddy. It's okay. You're gonna get one someday.
I'm literally Gryffindor.
Not anytime soon. Say, bro.
Say no.
No. Why you only get no's?
Hey, you like bad boys? Like myself? You need 100 no's for one yes. Rejection is the key to success. Nature didn't go as well as we wanted to, so here again, trying to pick up some baddies, some birds, some chicks, whatever you call them. You're badass? Cool. You know it.
I used to skate swimming pools a long time ago.
Back in the old days, huh?
Yeah.
Tony Elba, huh?
Dogtown skate.
Yeah. Suppose my mom put one of those dudes in the Dogtown Boys. We'll never know. Hey, bad boys?
Can't believe I had a girl like you when I just
Maybe you should find out.
I make things right, 'cause without you in my life, girl, I'm so lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody on my own. So lonely. Been all over the world, ain't never met a girl that can take the things that you've been through. Never thought the day would come where you would get up and run and I would.
I was a little distracted in my head right there.
Oh, I could tell. What were you thinking about?
Girl of my dreams that made me be so happy, but now so lonely.
Oh, I can't hear.
Nice, I work here.
Hi.
Hi. Get that degree though.
Bad boy stuff, you know.
I feel that. Yeah, I work here. I'm the brand manager for this.
Good to know.
Yeah, so I've worked here for 6 years.
That's cool.
Yeah, I'm not a student, but
Well, have a good one, Chrissy.
yeah, you too. Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. Oh, bad boy.
Oh, you gotta teach no row. No way. Here goes.
What are you working on, bud?
Field session.
What do you do?
Hip push here. Well, kind of. I'm almost hip push here. What do we do? We guide the lap.
What? I didn't hear you.
It's not worth it. I've been here all day. I want to go home. Sorry. Nothing against you. I'm just tired.
Is it because I'm black?
I'm fucking tired, dude. I've been here 10 a.m.
He didn't say no.
In conclusion, mine do not like black. Justin just wants some bitch grinding on his dick, really. That's the whole goal.
Like, what's make eye contact for at least one more. That's gonna happen. Right when you lock in, buddy. If it doesn't, right before you lock in. That's a fucking rough night for Jasper.
Why you contact with 2 women? Still that same nigga in a foreign, but it's stolen. Ryan sporty, I can sport it, can't control it. I'm doing fraud, got that bag, yeah, I'm transporting. I got that bag on me, nigga, like I'm transporting. He dropped the mixtape, thought I would've reposted. I ain't posting mixtape, cause I don't fuck with shorty. I be booted to the morning, PM to the morning. My little Wody wanna bag him, he just wanna roll it. Hold up, nigga, don't you owe me, yeah, you owe me, don't it? Like I'm an island of adventure, how I stay rolling. Tryna diss me, I need you 6 feet. She say she miss me, then she wanna kiss me. Damn, I'm so crispy, Sam got me dizzy. Tell me I ain't shy, I keep that glitzy. I was
Watch out. You guys suck. Here, watch. Let me show you how to do it. Like bad boys?
yeah, Fritz feet. What the lick read, baby, come and lick me. V12, I'm riding in a 6-speed. I be ballin' on you niggas out of this league. Ain't gotta wait. Control it, I'm doing fraud, got that bag, yeah, I'm transporting. I got that bag on me, nigga, like I'm transporting. He dropped the mixtape, thought I would've reposted. I ain't posting mixtape, cause I don't fuck with shorty. Yeah, that Glock got it standing like an outlet. How you out, chip? I ain't get you out yet. I'm so damn fly. I do not step. Yeah, I pop Molly and I pop checks. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just floating. My dog, I got a license.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Ding your bell and shit.
Be on the corner, yeah, fuck the law enforcement. Pop that baby, got no stroller, but I keep pushing. Shout it love for me to choke her when I'm in that pussy. Ain't gotta wait to make them move, cause I be loaded. Why you watching drinking 40s? I just
I almost just ate it, bro.
baby, got no stroller, but I keep pushing. Shout it love for me to choke her when I'm in that pussy. Ain't gotta wait to make them move, cause I be loaded. Why you watching drinking 40s? I just told it. Still that same nigga.
Why does he do that, bro? Okay, perfect.
I can sport it, can't control it. I'm doing fraud, got that bag, yeah, I'm transporting. I got that bag on me, nigga, like I'm transporting. He dropped the mixtape, thought I would've reposted. I ain't posting mixtape, cause I don't fuck with shorty.
Hey Zoe, what are you gonna do now, huh? Huh? Alright, I see, come on. He's not going at all.
Picking up women on scooters did not end well for us.
Hey, it's not over yet, though. I mean, we're not on scooters anymore, man. We weren't gonna get anything on scooters anymore. We didn't even try. It was like, say some fucking stupid little pickup line and zoom on.
I didn't. I stayed.
That's true, you tried. But then they just like, I don't know. You're like the kind of guy that told not to like, they're told to worry about kids like you.
Sad boy. Got no numbers, no life.
I got more numbers than you did today.
You got 0, just like me.
I got 1.